It's time to upgrade that dark, drab shower into something spectacular. Glass walls, great shower head, fantastic linear drains. I'm Michael Lambie, and on this Design Minute, we're talking glass shower doors. Now, depending on the shape and the size of your shower, you have a few different options when picking the right door, or if you even really need one at all. Option one is your sliding door. This one is from Fleurco. It's one of my favorites and works when you have a longer base and more glass surface. It also takes up less space inside and outside of your shower. Option two is the swing door. Now, these are great for smaller showers, but remember to accommodate for swing both in and outside the shower. Both doors come with frame options for finish. There's chrome, brushed nickel, and the ever so popular matte black. My favorite is the frameless, which is sleeker and ever so cleaner. Check this out. Fleurco's come up with this amazing upgrade for their shower doors called the Alera. They mounted a transparent film on both sides of the glass. So in case of breakage, it stays in one piece, like this. Be sure to check out MichealLambieInteriors.ca for more of my work and Fleurco.com for more information on your bathroom supplies.